Hai guys, selamat datang kembali di channel Terang Sekali. Jika kita berbicara tentang negara Afghanistan, apa yang ada di dalam ingatan kalian guys? Apa yang ada di dalam pikiran kalian? Tentu kita akan teringat kepada negara tandus berbatu dengan perang yang tidak ada habis-habisnya, pria-pria menenteng senjata, berjenggot, berselendang peluru, dan hal-hal yang semacam itu. Tentu saja hal itu tidak sepenuhnya benar guys. Saat ini saya berada bersama Mr. Jawad Wahidi. Beliau adalah orang Afghanistan yang ada di Indonesia. Beliau juga adalah YouTuber yang saat ini subscriber dia sudah lebih di atas 200.000 orang. Halo Mr. Jawad Wahidi.
Halo,
apa kabar?
Alhamdulillah. Selamat datang di studio kita.
Saat ini saya berada di studio beliau. Beliaulah yang punya studio ini. Mr. Jawad, nama lengkap dia adalah Muhammad Jawad Wahidi ya, Jawad. Jawad, untuk simpelnya boleh saya panggil Jawad saja? Oke, Jawad. Sekarang kami ingin tahu lebih banyak tentang negara Afghanistan. Oke? Yang pertama, Jawad, apakah betul negara Afghanistan itu gersang, Jawad? Tandus, tidak ada pohon-pohon.
Thank you for having me in your channel.
Yeah.
I appreciate it. In our country, our country is not look like they show in the news, like you see in the TV or in the newspaper. Our country is very beautiful. We have a lot of beautiful places in our country. We have a lot of ancient places, old places. Like we have a garden in our capital city Kabul that is more than 500 years old. One garden. We have a lot of beautiful things in our country, but the news and the media shows only the bad things about our country, like terrorists, like war, like killing people, like this. But our country is a very beautiful country, like your country. But there is war. There is war. It's the fact that there is war in our country, but we love our country, so we escape from the war, but our country is very good country.
Kata Jawad, itu semua tidak benar. Negerinya seperti yang ditampilkan di TV, di berita yang kita tengok selama ini, bahwa ternyata negeri Afghanistan itu adalah negeri yang indah. Juga ada pepohonan, ada yang hijau-hijau, tidak melulu tanah gersang yang seperti yang kita lihat di TV. Di kota Kabul, ibu kota mereka itu, ternyata ada sebuah taman kuno, taman kuno yang sudah ada sejak 500 tahun yang lalu. Jadi Jawad dia datang ke Indonesia itu karena di sana tuh kalau perang memang benar ya Jawad ya, war ada ya, real ya.
Masih,
But country without tree is not ya, not real. Your country also beautiful ya Jawad.
Yeah, very beautiful country. We have very beautiful country. We have a very rich culture. Our culture and our ancient status. We have from more than 2,000 years old. We have very. There was in 1,000 or 2,000 years ago, there was a big empire in our country, Persian Empire, includes Afghanistan, Iran, Pakistan, part of India, China, a lot of countries, very big empire. But so like other empire, they broke up, and now divided into small countries. One of them is Afghanistan, our country. We have very rich culture. We have everything, but unfortunately there is war. So when there is war, if your country is the most beautiful country in the world, but if there is war, it means you cannot live or you cannot be comfort in your country. So you have just one choice to stay there or escape.
Oh ya. Oke, jadi menurut Jawad, ternyata negara Afghanistan itu sudah ada semenjak dahulu kala. Yang dulunya bernama Kekaisaran Persia ya Jawad.
Persia.
Persia. Kekaisaran Persia sudah ada sejak 2000 tahun yang lalu. Dia mencakup wilayah yang sangat luas di daerah Afghanistan. Kemudian Kekaisaran Persia itu rubuh dan sekarang di bekas Kekaisaran di bekas Kekaisaran Persia itu sekarang timbul banyak negara kecil-kecil seperti Iran, Afghanistan dan lain-lain. Jadi karena terjadi perang yang berkepanjangan mengakibatkan warganya tidak ada pilihan lain selain daripada meninggalkan negaranya untuk menyelamatkan diri. Oke, Jawad, sekarang kita tanya masalah lain, Jawad ya. Jawad sudah lama di Indonesia, sudah bisa bahasa Indonesia, Jawad?
Ya, sudah 5 tahun lalu, tapi 5 tahun lebih.
Lebih,
ya.
Ya.
Bisa bahasa Indonesia sedikit-sedikit, tapi
bagus.
Ya, bisa conversation, bisa kalau ada problem masalah bisa
bicara
ya. Sama shopkeeper, what is shopkeeper? Toko.
Apa, penjaga toko?
Ya, toko sama driver sama orang-orang bisa, tapi gak bisa seperti Anda.
Jadi untuk secara resmi ofisial tidak bisa ya Jawad,
ya,
tapi untuk
bisa.
Sehari-hari untuk ke pasar,
ya.
Naik ojek sama tukang ojek sama taksi itu
ya,
bisa.
Ya, itu bisa
bicara
bisa,
ya Jawad.
Ya.
Alhamdulillah.
Ya.
Jadi Jawad di sini sudah 5 tahun ya.
Ya.
Sudah 5 tahun di Indonesia.
Tahun di Indonesia. Ya, aku datang sini di tahun 2015. Ya, Agustus 2015.
Oh. 2015, sekarang udah tahun 2020 sudah habis.
Sudah habis ya. 5 tahun lebih ya.
5 tahun ya.
Ya.
Itu Jawad, bagaimana kesannya tentang Indonesia?
Yeah, Indonesia is very interesting country. It has very good people.
Bisa dalam bahasa Indonesia Jawad? Sedikit-sedikit.
Sedikit. Ya, orang-orang bagus. Baik. Beautiful negara. Ya. Aku suka Indonesia. Aku suka Indonesian, orang Indonesia. Ya, aku suka culture, makan. Ya,
makanan.
Makanan. Ya, aku suka
makanan Indonesia.
Nasi goreng.
Nasi goreng.
Nasi goreng my favorite. My favorite Indonesian food is nasi goreng.
Kalau weathernya bagaimana? Iklimnya bagaimana?
Ya, weather.
Ini iklimnya berbeda ya?
Ya, beda. Ya.
Di Afghanistan 4 ya?
Ya, in Afghanistan we have 4 proper season. We have summer. We have starting from spring. Spring is like Indonesian weather. We have in spring we have rain, but the weather is normal, not too hot, not too cold. In summer we have very hot weather. Yeah, very hot weather. When in fall is also like spring, but a little cool weather. Cold, but in winter it's very cold. Everything is freezing. Snow come, a lot of snow come. No, sekarang in Afghanistan it's winter. Ya.
Di mana-mana es.
Ya, es. Snow, ya.
Snow ya.
Yeah.
Tidak perlu beli es batu ya.
Yeah.
Ya, jadi kata Jawad, Afghanistan itu punya 4 musim. Ya, pertama musim apa aja? Spring ya.
Spring ya.
Itu musim semi, terus musim panas, musim gugur, autumn, dan musim dingin. Dan saat ini kebetulan di Afghanistan sedang musim dingin, musim salju ya Jawad. Oke. Kalau Indonesia bagaimana Jawad? Indonesia bagaimana, panas kah atau bagaimana?
Indonesia weather is good, but it's always like same, yeah. Not for proper season. Yeah. Only one season raining and the other season very hot. But I think Indonesia is hot weather. for us, for our nature, Indonesia is hot, always hot.
Panas
Yeah,
ya.
yeah, but we can stay no problem. Yeah.
Oh.
Now we have, now we are familiar with this weather. Yeah, because already more than 5 years we have
Long
been
time,
here.
ya.
Yeah.
Jadi menurut Jawad itu, menurut dia Indonesia ini agak panas karena memang kebetulan dia tinggal di Batam. Kalau dia tinggal di Bogor mungkin dingin, ya kan? Indonesia banyak Jawad.
Yeah,
Ya,
big.
tapi di Batam memang panas ya Jawad.
Yeah.
Ya, bagi dia panas. Tapi sekarang bagi dia sudah tidak masalah karena dia sudah tinggal 5 tahun di sini ya Jawad ya,
Yeah.
sudah terbiasa.
Yeah.
Kalau makanan bagaimana Jawad? Food.
Yeah. We actually we love all Indonesian food. Your food is a little different than our food.
Ya.
You, for example, you cook rice without any oil or other thing, just rice, white rice, yeah, and
Yeah.
then you put another like sauce, like other things you eat. But in our country, a little different. We also use rice. We also food in our food we have rice, but we cook different. The way we cook is different than your food, but I love your food. I eat mostly nasi goreng. Also, we love satay,
Satay,
yeah, satay, and also bubur ayam.
Oh, bubur ayam ya.
Yeah, bubur ayam. Yeah, nasi nasi ayam,
Nasi ayam.
nasi ikan. Yeah, yeah. We love all Indonesian food, but. In your country, you don't eat bread mostly, yeah?
Yeah.
Bread, yeah. But in our country, we eat mostly bread, like
Rice, you
yeah,
eat the rice,
like
yeah?
every 3 time food we have bread. But in
Yeah.
your country, I didn't see you eat bread mostly, yeah.
How about chili Jawad?
Chili,
Oh, cabai.
yeah, cabai, yeah, cabai.
Sambal.
Yeah, I like sambal. Yeah, we can cook sambal at home. Yeah, sambal is good. We love that. But in our country, our food is
Ada.
not so hot.
Ada sambal or not?
Sambal tidak ada, tapi chili ada.
Chili ada.
Yeah.
Fresh chili
Yeah,
ada.
fresh. We have dry chili also, and fresh chili banyak.
Oh iya.
Yeah.
Jadi kata Jawad, masakan di Indonesia enak. Dia sudah mulai bisa makan makanan Indonesia seperti nasi goreng, sate, bubur ayam, nasi ayam dan lain-lain. Dia sudah bisa memakannya ya Jawad ya, sudah bisa ya.
Yeah.
Dan kemudian kalau di Afghanistan menurut Jawad itu orang tidak setiap hari memakan nasi. Nah, ini bedanya dengan Indonesia. Indonesia setiap 3 kali orang makan nasi. Kalau di Afghanistan orang memakan roti ya Jawad ya.
Yeah.
Roti 3 kali sehari ya Jawad.
Yeah.
Nasi itu sebagai snack cuma ya Jawad.
Ya, nasi mungkin satu hari satu kali.
Satu hari satu kali
Yeah.
ya. Terus masak nasinya juga beda ya Jawad.
Ya, beda.
Kalau di Indonesia cuma ditaruh air ya Jawad.
Yeah.
Kalau di Afghanistan itu
Oil,
ditaruh minyak.
oil, salt, masala, everything we put.
Jadi di dalam nasi itu memasaknya itu ditaruh minyak sama bumbu-bumbu ya Jawad
Yeah.
ya. Baru dimasak. Kalau Indonesia cuma air aja.
Yeah.
Ah, gitu ya Jawad.
Yeah.
Kalau buah-buahan di sini Jawad bagaimana? Fruit.
Yeah, here we
Beda ya?
Yeah.
Different ya?
not so different, but here we eat some fruit that I have never know hear about that, like papaya.
Oh, papaya
Papaya.
di
In
Afghanistan
our
tidak ada?
country, No, tidak ada.
Tidak ada.
People don't know about that.
Oh.
Yeah, like other food. There's a lot of different food. Yeah, I don't know the name, but it's new for us. They are new for us.
Tropical food ya?
Yeah, tropical food like
Fruit, tropical fruit, yeah.
Like manga. We
Manga?
have.
Ada
we
ya?
have orange. We have. Yeah, we
Jeruk
have.
ada?
Yeah, we have. but some new food like they has I don't know how to explain to you the red one, but they has like something like how to say, yeah, different, very different. I see here a lot of different fruit, but that we never seen in our country. Yeah, one of them is papaya.
Suka atau tidak?
Suka, ya, suka, ya,
enak ya?
suka, ya, ya, خارگیل چی میگه رمزی؟
Sleep.
خارگیل چی میگه؟ خارگیل.
Kaktus.
نه.
Norgil.
نه خارگیل. Durian? Durian, yeah.
Oh,
yeah, durian. This fruit.
Suka durian?
Yeah, suka, but this fruit is also new for us.
Sudah pernah coba?
Ya, sudah coba ya, sudah coba banyak kali. Tapi itu baru untuk kita ya.
Pertama makan
Yeah,
bagaimana?
the smell is very
Bad.
very bad smell, but the taste is good.
Oh,
Yeah, taste
jadi
is good.
baunya tidak enak, tapi rasanya
Yeah,
mantap ya.
mantap. But we never see in our country. Even I didn't hear about that before.
Oh, ya seperti durian itu sama sekali tidak ada di Afghanistan.
Ya, tidak ada.
Pepaya juga tidak ada di Afghanistan. Tapi waktu dicoba di sini ternyata Jawad suka ya Jawad.
Yeah.
Jawad itu katanya di sana kalau seperti apel, seperti sunkist yang buah-buah di sini mahal, di sana murah ya Jawad?
Apel murah ya, because
Anggur
anggur murah.
Itu
Anggur
banyak ya
have,
Jawad?
yeah, anggur banyak.
Iya.
We have big form, very cheap. In the season, they have season, yeah. In season, it's very cheap. Also, apple very cheap, very maybe 7 kilo. In Indonesia, maybe 20.000 7 kilo.
Oh, iya. Jadi di Afghanistan itu buah ya apel sama anggur itu banyak ya Jawad?
Banyak, ya.
Itu kalau lagi musim murah ya Jawad?
Ya, murah. Ya.
7 kilo
7 kilo.
cuma 20.000.
20.000 ya.
Masya Allah. Di sini 10.000 Jawad.
Yeah.
Itu tidak bagus.
Yeah.
Kalau yang bagus 10.000 ya Jawad apel ya.
In here they come from China, yeah.
Yeah.
They are all form, yeah, not organic,
Yeah.
not natural. But in our country, it's natural, not from form.
Masya Allah.
Yeah, all we have form, but not like greenhouse. We don't use greenhouse. We have normally, because we have 4 season, yeah, 4 proper season. So in the season they grow the apple, anggur, walnut. You have, you know walnut?
Walnut.
Walnut is like this. They have nitrous inside walnut. A lot of fruit we have. We have almond
ya, tahu.
Yeah, pistos also. Pista, we call pista. I don't know what you say. Pista, we call pista. We have this fruit a lot in our country, and it's all natural, not like grow in greenhouse. It's completely natural from field.
Fresh ya?
Yeah, fresh.
Oh ya. Jadi menurut Jawad kalau apel sama anggur dan buah-buahan lain impor yang di Indonesia ini kita makan yang berasal dari pertanian yang besar, sedangkan di Afghanistan itu dia itu merupakan tanaman organik, tanaman yang ada di kebun-kebun yang tumbuh secara normal, yang tumbuh secara alami sehingga menghasilkan buah-buah yang alami dan juga segar di Jawad ya.
Yeah.
Ini Jawad ada lagi pertanyaan itu Jawad. Ini kalau Indonesia cewek-cewek bagaimana Jawad? Bagaimana Jawad? Bagaimana?
Mantap.
Mantap. Cantik.
Yeah, cantik. But you know, Indonesian peoples, almost all Southeast Asian country faces are almost same, yeah, like Indonesia, Malaysia, Singapore, Philippines, Nepal, Thailand, like
Thailand,
same, yeah.
Southeast, yeah.
Yeah, Southeast
Asia
Asia,
Tenggara, yeah.
like same. I think same tribe, like China, the same tribe.
Yeah.
But in our country, like Afghanistan, Iran, Tajikistan, Pakistan, Middle East, are same. A little different, but Indonesian women, Indonesian girls are very beautiful, yeah, very
Oh.
attractive.
Suka Jawat?
Yeah, yeah. Indonesian people, very good. They have very good behavior. Yeah, when they see when they use you face to face, they smile.
Smile ya.
Yeah, they with a smile they say hi. Yeah, like that. It's very good culture, I think.
Kalau di Afghanistan
If
kita
if you don't know someone, if you face to face, just cross.
oh
They don't smile or they don't say hi. If you know, okay.
ya.
If you don't know, if it's unknown people, they don't say hi or smile like Indonesian people.
Mungkin sama Jawat. Indonesia kalau tidak kenal juga tidak say hello ya.
But they still smile, yeah.
Still
Yeah.
tegur ya.
Yeah.
Oh, kata Jawat kalau di Indonesia itu hampir-hampir sama dengan orang-orang di Asia Tenggara, semua hampir sama menurut dia, mirip. Dan orangnya katanya ceweknya cantik-cantik ya Jawat.
Yeah.
Dan yang lebih dia senang lagi itu budaya kita, karena kita suka menegur walaupun tidak kenal, kalau pas negur senyum lagi, gitu ya, smile ya Jawat ya, gitu ya.
Yeah.
Kalau di Jawat, kalau di pergaulan Jawat, apa namanya itu, pergaulan antara laki-laki dan perempuan, apa bedanya Jawat di Indonesia sama di Afghanistan Jawat?
What?
Relationship between men and men in
Friendship, you mean?
yeah, friendship, relationship, yeah, women and men in Afghan and Indonesia different or not Jawat?
We have different culture, yeah. In family relationship is in our country very strong, yeah. When family created, man and woman married, they bring babies. If they grow baby, the baby becomes son or daughter. If it's daughter, they marriage and go. If the baby is son, they will keep. They stay in his parent house.
Oh.
Even after they marriage, they still stay in parent house. They never separate. Yeah.
For men,
Yeah, for men. For girls, yeah, of course, because when they married, she
bring
go.
by husband.
Yeah, she go to her husband house.
Oh, yeah.
But if it's if their kids or son, they even after he marriage, he bring his wife. He will still stay with his wife and his kids with his parents. So there's a strong relationship between parents and kids in our country. In your country also same, but I think after son married, they separate from his family. Yeah,
Yeah.
they go. They live alone with his wife and his family. Yeah.
Ya, kebanyakan.
Yeah, but in our country, it's very rare that a son becomes separate after married. Even after marriage, after he nikah, after he get his wife, he still stay with his parent.
Until they have baby also.
Yeah,
they
baby,
still
still they stay with
like
his
that,
parent.
yeah.
Yeah.
Same house.
Yeah, same house. Because in our country, house they make very big house. Yeah.
Oh, big house.
One house, for example, has 10 or to 15 room. Yeah, very big. Yeah.
Jadi kalau menurut tradisi orang Afgan, mereka itu patrilineal ya Jawat. Itu jika seorang laki-laki dia menikah, maka dia akan tetap tinggal di rumah bapak ibunya. Bahkan sampai dia punya anak pun mereka akan tetap tinggal di rumah orang tuanya. Sedangkan kalau bagi anak cewek, dia akan ikut sama suaminya. Dan menurut Jawat bedanya dengan orang Indonesia. Kalau orang Indonesia setelah nikah, mereka itu akan berpisah rumah dengan orang tuanya. Tapi kalau di Afghanistan, yang orang laki-laki, mereka akan tetap tinggal di rumah orang tuanya. Jadi ikatan keluarga mereka itu sangat kental, sangat kuat ya Jawad ya.
Strong relationship between
Yeah.
son and parents.
Dan Jawad, kalau di Afghanistan Jawad itu yang men dan yang woman itu cewek sama cowok sekolah itu mix Jawad atau bercampur Jawad.
No. You mean men and women
Seperti di Indonesia tidak?
yeah in school yeah?
Yeah.
No, in a school girls and boys study in separate classes. Like boys
Separate
school is
boys school or separate class?
school, yeah.
School.
Boys school or separate, and girls school or different. I mean different. But in university, most cases in university, boys and girls study in the same class, same university, because you cannot make two university, one for girls, one for
Yeah.
for boys. But for a school, easy. Yeah. For example, if there is a school, they must be build two school, one for girls, one for boys.
Iya. Jadi kalau sekolah di Afghanistan itu dari SD, SMP, SMA dipisah untuk laki-laki dan perempuan. Sekolah khusus SD laki-laki, SD perempuan, SMP laki-laki, SMP perempuan, SMA laki-laki, SMA perempuan. Betul-betul dipisah, bukan kelasnya yang dipisah, tapi sekolahnya Jawad ya. Sekolahnya dipisah gitu. Sedangkan untuk tingkatan universitas barulah orang-orang Afghanistan bercampur. Itu bedanya dengan Indonesia ya Jawad. Kalau Indonesia dari SD sampai university sama
Mix,
dicampur dalam satu kelas Jawad. Sekarang ini Jawad mengenai apa? Mengenai young men and young women. Itu untuk what do you call, untuk mencari partner, itu mencari husband and wife itu bagaimana caranya?
Dating ya.
Dating mengenai pacaran gitu Jawad. Bagaimana Jawad?
In our country, if the boys and girls are educated or they study in the same class, maybe they make at the class they make dating relationship, but the relationship is very restricted, not like your country very we don't have so much freedom like your country. For example, girls with boys go in the whole day they go to jalan-jalan, they do. But in our country they cannot. Maybe they just have phone contact and messaging and talking. But if they like each other, then the family of the son propose to the family of the girl. Then if they match, they become fiance. Engagement. They make engagement. But in most country, in most of our family in our country, it's not like same. But in the cities, like this, the girls and boys make dating and relationship. But in the village and other cities, it's not like that. Just family decided to which girl should take to their son.
Dijodohkan.
Even if the son, even the girls and the boy, they never seen each other. Never seen before. They just see at the night of the nikah.
Mashallah. So they cannot refuse, or
mostly they cannot, because the family have a strong power. They control. For example, the boss of the family control everything. Mostly the father. If the father say, okay, for you I take that girls, then you cannot refuse.
Also the girl cannot refuse.
Even maybe you can, but the girl cannot. For example, if someone come to ask the girl, if the father and the mother is agree and the girl is not agree, they force the girl to become agree and marry with that boy.
Then after they married, the girl, for example, the girl doesn't like you, then they can ask for divorce or not? Never this happen or not?
They happen in the cities, but in the village,
Yeah.
the divorce is the worst thing that can happen in a family. Yeah,
Oh.
yeah. Even they become enemy. Yeah,
Oh.
for there will be very big problem between two family if someone divorced his wife. Yeah, it's very big. Even so, it means if you don't like that girl, you have to stay with that. Or if that girl don't like you, she must, and she have to live with you.
Accept you,
Yeah,
yeah.
even if she hate you, but she have to live with you.
So in your country, especially in village, no divorce ya Jawad?
Divorce very rare case.
Very rare case
Yeah,
ya.
very rare.
Oh, not easy to
Not
divorce.
easy. Yeah, not easy.
Oh, Masya Allah.
Yeah, that's why most of the family, the couples, when they travel or they become refugee or immigrant to the other country, then they become open-minded, and if they say, okay, you don't like me, I don't like you, okay, divorce, separate. They can separate, and maybe she marries again or he marries again. But in our country, especially in the village, it's not the same. You don't have choice to divorce your wife, even if you don't like her.
Based on the culture ya.
Yeah, culture. On the culture.
Not based on the religion, because in
No,
religion Islam
Muslim, yeah, we are Muslim.
halal ya
Yeah.
to divorce ya.
Yeah, halal, but we have very
It's culture,
restricted culture. Yeah.
Oh ya, oke.
Yeah.
Nah, I translate Jawad ya. Oh, jadi menurut Jawad itu kalau hubungan berpacaran di Afghanistan tidak seperti di Indonesia. Kalau misalnya di kota, mereka mungkin ada anak-anak yang sekolah yang mereka bertemu, mereka bisa berpacaran, tapi berpacaran orang Afghanistan itu tidak seperti orang Indonesia. Orang Indonesia kita kan bisa bawa cewek jalan-jalan kemana, nonton bioskop, makan-makan, ke mall. Di Afghanistan tidak boleh, ya Jawad ya.
Yeah.
Itu tidak boleh sama sekali. Jadi mereka cuma pacarannya lewat HP ya Jawad.
Yeah.
Lewat surat di Jawad ya, mungkin ya.
Yeah.
Nah, jadi kalau udah saatnya nanti mereka cocok, mereka mau menikah, nanti yang laki-laki akan bilang keluarganya untuk melamar, seperti kita lah, melamar yang perempuan ke keluarganya Jawad ya.
Yeah.
Dan untuk keluarga-keluarga yang ada di pedesaan itu keadatnya sama adat istiadatnya sangat ketat. Ya, jadi mereka itu tidak mengenal pacaran, mereka itu dijodohkan.
Yeah.
Kalau dijodohkan Jawad.
Yeah.
Jadi walaupun tidak kenal, itu mereka itu akan pokoknya orang tuanya kan setuju, mereka itu akan dinikahkan ya Jawad ya.
Yeah.
Walaupun sebelumnya mereka tidak kenal sama sekali. Mereka cuma kenal pas waktu nikah ya Jawad.
Yeah.
Nah, jadi di Afghanistan itu, kata Jawad, itu menurut tradisi mereka itu sangat ketat dalam hal perceraian. Jadi walaupun misalnya yang perempuan laki-laki tidak cinta ya Jawad, tidak suka, itu mereka tidak akan bercerai ya Jawad.
Yeah,
tidak bisa
separate.
divorce, bercerai ya.
Yeah.
Nah, jadi mereka tidak, menurut adat mereka tidak bisa bercerai, karena kalau seandainya bercerai itu antara dua keluarga besar ini nanti akan timbul permusuhan. Ya Jawad ya.
Yeah.
Become enemy ya Jawad.
Yeah, sometimes even they kill each other.
Malah akan bisa berbunuh-bunuhan di antara keluarga ini. Jadi makanya orang Afghanistan terutama yang di pedesaan, mereka itu tidak mengenal perceraian.
Yeah.
Dan kata Jawad, setelah pasangan ini mungkin dia bepergian ke luar negara, keluar dari Afghanistan, mereka akan terbuka pikirannya. Jadi kalau mereka betul-betul tidak suka, barulah mereka itu bercerai ya Jawad.
Yeah.
Jadi ya tidak bisa bercerai itu karena tradisi, bukan karena agama. Karena agama mereka adalah agama Islam juga, dan di dalam Islam bercerai itu halal. Cuma ini tradisinya, begitulah budaya orang Afghanistan. Oke lah Jawad.
Yeah.
Kayaknya sudah lama ya Jawad bicara-bicara ya.
Yeah.
Sudah.
I wish I could speak bahasa, so we talk a lot every day.
Bisa bicara-bicara ya.
Yeah.
Jadi sekarang sudah mungkin sudah cukup ya Jawad mengenai Afghanistan. Kita sudah bicara-bicara banyak tentang Afghanistan. Mungkin kawan-kawan kita yang di Indonesia dengan adanya podcast kita ini, mereka mengenal lebih baik tentang Afghanistan, lebih closer mengenai Afghanistan, tidak cuma seperti yang di TV ya Jawad. Ya, terima kasih Jawad sudah memberikan penjelasan tentang Afghanistan, ada istiadat sampai buah-buahan segala macam ya Jawad.
Ya, sama-sama. Okay, thank you for coming in my studio. You can come every day. Anytime you come here. You know I'm YouTuber. You also YouTuber. If you want make video, all my studio, all my equipment is for you. You can use.
Okay, thank you very much, Jawad. Jadi terima kasih Jawad karena kita mengizinkan memakai studionya, dan kita cukupkan sampai di sini saja. Sampai jumpa di video-video selanjutnya. Salam.
Okay, bye.
Bye.